And my experience here at Red River has been very peaceful, informative, and wonderful. Hello, my name is Heather Howard, and I am from Maryland. So my experience here is going to help me live a better lifestyle by being more temperate in how I eat. That, for example, not necessarily getting seconds and thirds, but just eating enough to feel full. And it's also going to help me learn how to take care of my body with natural remedies.
And I'm very thankful for everyone's kindness and acceptance and love and truly showing me who Jesus is.
Amen.
So I would recommend Red River Outpost to someone in need if they're sick and need healing, because they have helped me. I was sick with COVID, pneumonia, and I had blood clots in my lungs. I was very sick. And I came here and they have helped me with my lung function. So I would definitely recommend it to someone who is sick and wants to be naturally healed instead of using conventional medicine.